Are you eager to participate in Easter egg decorating competitions, but unsure where to begin? Are you searching for creative and engaging activities to entertain the kids during the Easter season? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into the world of egg decorating, where we'll answer all your burning questions and provide you with a treasure trove of inspiration, ideas, and tips. But before we do that, we want to welcome you to our channel Decorants, where we share home improvement ideas that will make your living space more beautiful and comfortable. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to get notified of our future Easter-related videos. Welcome to our egg-sighting journey through the world of egg decorating. In this video, we'll explore 3 distinct segments tailored to different interests and skill levels. Whether you're an adult seeking artistic challenges, a competitor eyeing Easter egg competition success, or a parent in search of fun activities for the kids, there's something here for everyone. So let's dive in and unleash our creativity together. Are you ready to dive into the world of sophisticated egg decoration? Whether you're an experienced crafter or a novice looking to elevate your skills, this segment is for you. Get ready to explore a realm of intricate designs and techniques perfectly suited for adults who are passionate about turning ordinary eggs into extraordinary works of art. Let's unlock the secrets of adult egg decorating and unleash your inner artist. Master color theory. Deepen your understanding of color theory to create harmonious and visually striking designs. Experiment with color combinations, complementary hues, and shading techniques to achieve professional-looking results. Incorporate mixed media. Explore the world of mixed media by combining traditional egg decorating techniques with unconventional materials such as fabric, beads, sequins, or even miniature sculptures. Push the boundaries of creativity to create truly unique and captivating designs. And don't forget to check out our playlist, where you will find more amazing tips and tricks with ideas that you can use to recreate your dream home. The link is in the description below, or on the screen right now. A study published in the Journal of Experimental Child Psychology found that engaging in creative activities like egg decorating can enhance cognitive development in children by promoting problem-solving skills, imagination, and self-expression. Explore advanced techniques. Dive deeper into advanced egg decorating techniques such as pisanki, Ukrainian egg decorating, marbling, or embossing. These techniques require precision and skill, but can result in breathtakingly intricate and detailed designs. Experiment with surface treatments. Explore different surface treatments such as etching, gilding, or texturing to add depth and dimension to your designs. These techniques can create stunning visual effects and enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of your decorated eggs. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new and got design inspiration for your home, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. We post new videos every week on home design, decor, and DIY projects that you don't want to miss. According to a research paper published in the Journal of Food Science, the process of decorating eggs using natural dyes made from ingredients like fruits, vegetables, and spices can have therapeutic effects, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Attention all competitive decorators. It's time to gear up for the ultimate Easter egg decorating showdown. In this section, We'll unveil a treasure trove of egg sighting ideas specially curated to help you claim victory in the competition. We'll provide you with the inspiration needed to outshine the competition and leave a lasting impression on the judges. Get ready to unleash your creativity and dominate the Easter egg decorating scene. Incorporate fine art techniques. Draw inspiration from fine art disciplines such as watercolor painting, pointillism, or impressionism to create dynamic and expressive egg designs. Apply principles of brushwork, color blending, and composition to elevate your decorating skills to an artistic level. Create themed collections. Instead of decorating individual eggs, challenge yourself to create themed collections or series of eggs that tell a cohesive story or convey a specific concept. This approach allows you to explore narrative-driven designs and showcase your creativity in a more cohesive and impactful way. Hey there, budding artists! In this segment, we're bringing you a collection of fun and easy egg decorating ideas designed specifically for kids. Whether you're a pint-sized Picasso or just getting started with your artistic endeavors, these playful designs are sure to inspire your imagination and ignite your passion for crafting. Get ready to unleash your creativity and transform ordinary eggs into extraordinary masterpieces. Experiment with resists and masking. Explore advanced techniques such as resists and masking to create intricate patterns and designs on your eggs. Use materials like wax, masking fluid, or tape to selectively block areas of the egg surface before applying dyes or paints, resulting in stunning layered effects and intricate detailing. Study historical and cultural influences. Draw inspiration from historical and cultural traditions of egg decorating from around the world. Research techniques used in different cultures, such as batik egg decorating from Indonesia or Fabergé-style egg art from Russia, and incorporate elements of these traditions into your own designs. Also, if you want to learn more, check out our blog, where you will find detailed articles and guides on how to choose, install, maintain, and decorate your house. The link is also in the description below. We love hearing from our viewers. Share your thoughts, ideas, and any questions you have in the comments section below. We read every comment and can't wait to engage with you. Well, there you have it. Egg decorating ideas for every skill level and age group. Whether you're aiming for the top prize or simply looking to have some fun, we hope these tips and tricks inspire you to get creative this Easter season. Thanks for tuning in and happy decorating. This is Decorate signing off, Tilda. This is Decorats.